My brother found this chainsaw in the dumpster at his house, and he already owns a chainsaw, so he decided to sell it to me for what he bought the bar and chain for. So I'm gonna clean the carburetor, degrease some parts, degrease its box, and see if I can get it running really good. Okay guys, so as you saw in the last clip, this chainsaw was having a hard time running and staying running. So what I did is I went on to Amazon and found a carburetor for this Homelite UT1040. I also have a broken fuel primer, so I made sure to look for one with that, and it ends up that it came with a spark plug, a new gasket. Then there is some fuel filters and fuel line for it. So I'm excited about this. Let's get this project going. Thank you for watching Working Brothers. Please like, comment, and subscribe.